What's up, y'all? Hope you all are doing well. So this is the straight out today's key market session. I would say um, I took this long targeting those buy side at 25 to 65 and a half and 25 to 88 and a three quarter. That's what I was targeting, and you'll see how it played out. So I went long from the down close candle level. You can see on the chart there is a horizontal line right there, the blue one, and there is a fair value gap as well. The blue shaded gap that you see on the chart is a 15-minute fair value gap that's been inversed. So after inversing that, we created a failure swing at 25 to 1 hour, I think. Then we broke the market structure, we broke internal structure. Then you could see there was a down close candle, and price tapped into that, showed some reaction of it, and that's when I went long. After that, you're gonna see how I managed this trade. And also there was the inversion gap right there. You can see that. So there was this inversion fair value gap and these order block. Uh, both of these align perfectly with the midpoint of that inversion gap. And you could see I took off two more contracts from this trade because where I initially have my target at 25 to 88.3 quarter. Uh, I was looking at price and I thought about it, and I was feeling like it's not gonna reach up to that, probably gonna take some retracement from there. So that's why I was um, scaling off at the time when we were forming that swing high. So if I wanted to see price take out that take out my initial highs, I mean initial buy set liquidity, I wanted to see price accelerating through those highs, but it was stalling at the time, and that's why I scaled up. And you'll see I'll trail my stop loss after a minute. So that was the macro session there, the 7:45 to 8 a.m. So I'm expecting this 15-minute candle to expand higher. So if it fails to do that, then probably it's gonna come down, take some retracement. That's what I had in my mind at that time. And if you all wanna trade with me or wanna see how I trade um, live, then check the link in the description. We do have our live Discord trading community. Check it out. And if you feel like you want to join, you're welcome. Again, back to the trading, back to the trade. You could see price created that uh, external high again. Now I was looking at price and I was trying to see if price rips up higher from that down close candle. That is a bullish order block. If we want to continue higher, we could see that candle was struggling to take out the previous candle's high, and that's when I knew that probably I'm gonna get stopped out from here, and you'll see that I'll get stopped out on profit from here. And still that was a pretty nice trade. We I pretty much bottom ticked this trade and got out with almost like 42 780, almost like more than 40 42 points, I would say. So uh, there was the push right there. There's the try. You could see price tried to push through that external high again after tapping into that order block, but it failed. And that's when you know that it's probably going to take a retracement now. You'll see it did exactly that thing. It took a retracement and stopped me out on profit. Yep. And there you could see, I think, yeah, now I'll get started, I guess. By the way, make sure to give a thumbs up to the video. And if you're new here, sub that means a lot to me. There we go. stopped out on profit and there were the executions. Until next time, be safe, take care of your health. Bye bye.